Welcome back to Made by Monica. Thanks so much for stopping by again. Last time I made little treats for a basket that I'm putting together for my hairdresser. So hairdresser, stylist, I don't know. You guys comment down below if you're a hairdresser or a stylist or what you like to be called, but she's my friend anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and make this basket for her. I actually got together a bunch of gingerbread stuff. So this is gonna be a gingerbread gift basket for her. Now she has two little granddaughters that she wants to make cookies with. So I kind of decided to put maybe some treats together with her, along with some items to help her make cookies with her granddaughters. So that's what I'm doing today. So if you want to stay tuned with me, we will put this basket together for her. Then we'll go get my hair cut. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna put the big items in first. So that's one tip when you're putting a gift basket together. It's always better to put the big items in, and then some of the smaller items you can kind of stuff in around that as well. So the first item that I have is, look at this. I found this at Dollar Tree, of course. And it is one of the tins, the gingerbread tins, and then these are actually the little cookies that I showed you in the last video. And I will be making a video to show you how to make these. But so I did a few snowmen and some cute little gingerbread men. So that'll be another video, and I will show you how to do those. It's made with the best cookie recipe ever. So anyway, I'll tell you about that. And then of course with the royal icing, so that you can stack them. And so I make them, I put them in these little bags, and then you can stack them, and your design stays perfect. So that is absolutely the best icing to use, is the royal icing. So this is probably my biggest item, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in first. And then look what else I found at Dollar Tree, you guys. Okay, so they have these little mailboxes here. And I did pick up a red truck one too, so you guys know how much I love the red truck. But this one, of course, has the gingerbread men on it because I wanted it for her gift basket. So what we're gonna do is, I showed you these little treats in my last video, and we made little pretzel treats. Now these are great to do with your kiddos too, so they can help make these for their teachers and things. So I found these little gingerbread bags, treat bags. So these are the peppermint ones. And then I also have the hot cocoa kind. And that was new for me last year. I found the hot cocoa kisses last year, the Hershey Kisses. And I didn't really do a lot with them. We ate them, but I didn't make anything with them. So this year I decided to put them on these treats. And then this, of course, is the caramel. So you know what? I think you're probably gonna wanna get the caramel right away, because those might go away for fall. So if you're gonna do these in the caramel, you may wanna go ahead and get those. So, all right. So we will just close all that up, put the little flag down, and I'm gonna put that in right behind them. So the next absolute cutest thing I found were these gingerbread men. I don't know if you have these at your Dollar Tree. I found these fairly early and snatched them because I knew I was gonna do this basket for her. So if you still have these at your Dollar Tree, you may wanna snag them. And I don't know if you can tell on the towel and the pad, it has the gingerbread recipe on there. So if she wants to make gingerbread cookies with her granddaughters, this would be a great idea as well. So I am going to stick those right in the, sorry, I kind of am doing this sideways for you. Okay, so we'll put all that in right in there. So the next big item that I have is, I wanted to go ahead and get her some pre-made dough. You know, you add the water and the eggs in. But I thought this was easy for her to do. Her granddaughters are fairly young, so I thought this was probably easiest to do. So that's fairly heavy. So we are definitely gonna fit that into the back then. And then I picked up the really easy cookie icings. So we have the red, the green, of course, and the white. And it also already has the little tips on there too. So if the girls want to, they can just pull the tips off and start decorating. So we'll put those in. Oh, and then I forgot, let's see, I got her some cookie cutters. So these cookie cutters have the tree, they have a gingerbread man in there, which is exactly what I was looking for. So if she wants to follow the recipe on the towel, she can do that. And then there's a gingerbread man in here, and there's a star, and I think a snowman. So those are perfect. So I'm gonna set those cookie cutters right in there. There is a recipe on this bag as well, on the back, about how to do the rollout cookies. So these are probably more of a drop cookie, but it does have the recipe on there if you want to do the cutout cookies. So I'll show her that. And we will stick this other icing down in there. And then, of course, I found these little mugs at Dollar Tree, of course. So aren't they absolutely stinking adorable? And then, of course, I picked up some of the Swiss Miss hot chocolate. So that way they can have hot chocolate while they're making their cookies, and they can snack on the little treats that I've included as well. So, and then I picked up, these are adorable, I picked up the traditional kind of sprinkles and stuff, and then I thought the girls might like these. I don't know if you guys have seen these. They were out last year as well, but they're the brighter decorations, and these are like Christmas lights. So I thought that was really, really cute. So I'm gonna stick those in there as well. And then, of course, last but not least, they have these at Dollar Tree. So I'm really hoping that you guys have these at your Dollar Tree. Now, I did have to go around to a couple different ones, you know, to find all of this stuff, but I was able to find it. So, and then you can look online too. Sometimes though, you have to buy them in quantities online. So anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and stuff that right in here. Okay, so now we have our basket all done. Can you guys see that? Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, so now I have this ribbon, and of course you can get this at Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna go ahead, and you just wanna take the end of it, and I am just going to hot glue this on the back of the basket. And then we're going to wrap it around the front. Let's see, can you guys see that? And then I am just cutting it back here. And we are just hot gluing it then in place. So no big deal. Just some hot glue, some ribbon, and don't burn yourself. Hot glue is hot. Okay. So we have that all in place. Oh, maybe I can lift this up and show you. Okay. So that's what's on the front then. And then I also found at Dollar Tree has these cute gingerbread men. And like I said, I got this stuff early because I really knew that I was gonna put this basket together for her. So hopefully you can still find these as well. So this has a little paper on the back that you can take off and stick. But I am probably gonna end up hot gluing it as well. We just wanna make sure that it's good to go on there. So just a little hot glue on him. We'll put him right on the front there. Okay. And then I have this ribbon here that is Dollar Tree as well. And it just says, have yourself a merry little Christmas. So I just made up 2 quick bows. I kind of thought that the red in some of the items in here really popped. So I really wanted to include those on the front. So just a little hot glue Put it on the little corners there. And we'll stick it on this corner here. And we have a gingerbread basket. Isn't that so cute? It's so cute, you guys. I love all the gingerbread men in it, and her granddaughters are just gonna love it. So this is a great idea. Of course, Dollar Tree has lots of items that you can use. I don't know if you guys can find the brown basket at your Dollar Tree. I did have to search a couple of Dollar Trees. My local one did not have it. They still have those bright colors out, but I did find a couple of the Dollar Trees that are carrying the dark brown as well as the cream colored. So hopefully you guys can find the brown and make your own basket. So think of somebody really special that's doing something really nice for you, and get a basket made up for them. Trust me, they will really enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and I am going to show you how to make those cookies, and I have one more surprise actually that I'm going to include in this basket, but I'm not going to show you yet. So hit subscribe down below, and it should let you know, YouTube will let you know then when I upload that video. So hit the bell, hit subscribe, and I will show you next time the secret item that I'm putting in here. It is so stinking cute, you guys. You seriously, you don't want to miss it, and it's adorable. So anyway, okay, so you guys have a good week, and I will see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, so I just finished getting my hair cut. I took her that gingerbread basket that I made. Oh my gosh, you guys, she cried. She totally cried. So I really want to encourage you. Sorry, I'm going to cry because she was crying. I'm going to encourage you to please, think of somebody maybe that would really enjoy, one of those gift baskets, and just put something little together that you think that they would like, and maybe make them a few treats or something. And it really does mean a lot to people. So anyway, got my hair cut. She styles it, curls it. Looks kind of pretty. So, all right. I will see you guys later.